Hi, my name's Elle Natchke. I'm with the outdoor program and I will be showing you how to pump your tires today. So there are two different types of valves. There is shreader valve, which is similar to a car tire. It's like a car tire valve. And then there's the Presta Valve, which is a skinnier, more for road bike valves. So on each bike tire, you'll find a recommended PSI, which is the pressure you want to keep your tires inflated to. On each floor pump, you'll find a gauge. It has a number every 20 interval. There's also a red arrow that will tell you what pressure you're at. To insert the pump head onto the valve, we'll first want to check which insertion point we want to be using. This tire is a shreader valve, so we'll use the larger of the pump insertion heads. So we're going to stick the pump head onto the valve nice and tight and then pull up on the lever in the back. So to remove your pump head from your valve, you'll first want to press down on the lever and then pull on the pump head so that it is released from your valve. So Presta valves are a little different. First, on a Presta valve, you'll have to twist the little end of the valve up all the way so that it stops, and then you can press down on the lever and it removes the air. So we'll use the smaller of the two pump heads and insert the same way you would a shreader valve, down and then pulling up on the lever. So once you have your pump head inserted on your valve correctly, you can go ahead and start pumping to the recommended pressure. You can keep a close eye on the gauge to make sure that you're pumping to the right amount. So if you need to save some time but you still need to pump your tires, you can always use a compressor, which we have at the barn right here. You'll want to roll this down with quite a bit of force. And these only work on shreader valves, so if you have a shreader valve, you're set. So you'll come down to your valve and you'll have to manually hold the pump head onto your valve and then press the lever and it pops right off. Before you go, let's talk about why you should even bother pumping your tires. There are two main reasons. One is to prevent some nasty pinch flats. That's when the tube contacts the rim whenever you're going over like a bigger bump, and it'll actually create two holes in your tire, which will eventually cause a flat. The other is to prevent rim damage. If you were to go over a rock with a flat tire, then your rim will actually come into contact with that rock or harder object and cause a bend in the rim. So that's how you properly inflate your tires. You can feel free to stop by the barn noon to 5, Monday through Friday, and give a high five and a pump and say hello.